Hey, this is Dominic with Essential Pressure Washing. Today I have a brick walkway and a brick patio to clean. Right now I've already got everything hooked up, my hoses, high pressure hose, all the above. So now I'm just gonna rinse down the property, make sure I rinse down all the brick, get it cleaned up. So I'm rinsing everything down, making sure everything's saturated before I introduce pre-treatment. And that's what I'm gonna go, and I'll be back and we'll do pre-treatment. Gonna let this dwell. While this is dwelling, I will continue to rinse down the grass and all the above. am post-treating with about 3% mix with a pump-up sprayer, as you can see. Not efficient, not perfect, but will it get the job done? 100%. Now that I've post-treated, I'm going to continue on my way back to the truck. I'm going to rinse down all of the vegetation, take my pictures, talk to the customer, and head home. Rinse before, rinse during, and rinse after.